Hello friends, I am Professor Arif from PVPIT Sangli. Today I am trying to explain you the registration process for TCS Drive 2021 batch. Now this registration is into two simple steps. One is the registration at TCS Next Step portal, and second is you need to register to NQT. Okay. Before that I will try to give you a simple instructions which are very important. One very important instruction is NQT test offered by the TCS is not only be applicable to TCS, but the score of the marks in this test that you will obtain will be shared to many companies of various sectors like associated IT companies, manufacturing companies, BSFI, FMCG and pharma companies as well. Hence this drive and this appearing for this test is a must for civil branch, chemical branch, electrical branch, instrumentation branch as well, including regular mechanical, IT, computer science, electronics and telecommunication, electronics. Okay. Now if you have any specific problem, you can contact me. Okay. Now next instruction is, some students are facing a problem because the page which shows percentage as well as CGPA while filling is not visible. In such case you have to change the browser. Try to change the browser to Google Chrome or other and try to see whether you can still see. But if the problem still persists, what you do, you fill 10 into a maximum percentage column. Okay, like how many percentage you have obtained and the out of how much, that is a maximum percentage. So in maximum percentage fill 10, okay, and into obtained percentage you can fill your actual CGPA. For example 9.5, 9, 8.5, etc., etc. But you need to take a care that you need to have all the documents with you while filling the form. Mark sheet, Aadhaar card, passport size photo and updated resume copy. All must be scanned and in form of an PDF. Okay, read instructions clearly and follow it carefully, okay, while filling the form. Now this is a poster which gives you step 1, step 2, okay, of filling the form. Now I am trying to tell you and explain you in next 2 slides the same thing. The simple steps to help the TPC here for those students who are still finding the registration process confusing. Okay. Go to nextstep.tcs.com, make a TCS account under IT. You need to first create your TCS account. Okay. While creating this account you need to select IT, or if you have already selected and already registered for TCS and you have a TCS account, having a TCS account means you will get a CT or DT number. If you have that, you fill that and just log in and proceed further. If you don't have, you need to create one. While creating one, you need to select IT only. Okay. After logging in, means after getting this TCS ID, that is CT or DT number, you log in. The students will get an option, do you want to apply in a TCS recruitment drive? Select yes in that. The system will then automatically ask for NQT number. This is National Qualifying Test number. This means you should have obtained this number as well, whereas there is a registration process for this. There would be a link mentioned there itself to create. If you don't have NQT number, simply click to that on that link. It will take you to creation of an NQT number. Follow the instructions there step by step, obtain the NQT number and come back to same TCS application to TCS drive page, put the NQT number and complete the registration. You need to apply for the TCS drive. Once you do that, we from the department will share you the link wherein you have to give us a feedback, that is your CT/DT number, NQT number, and whether successfully applied for TCS drive, because some students have obtained this number, CT/DT number, and they have not applied for NQT number. Okay. Now if you don't do this, you won't be able to go and apply for the drive. Now final step is, if you have obtained the CT/DT number, you have done NQT number, you have completed all the forms, everything, but you have not applied for the drive, even then your name will not be reflected in a TCS HR list. Okay. So please take care of that, and I am going to share you a few more things. If you have any difficulty, you can go through that also. Thank you.